Greetings everyone. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to edit a template in Act using Microsoft Word. So I'm going to come up and go right. I'm going to go Edit Template. And there's a template I created earlier today. If I go down the screen, it's way down. It's called test letter1.adt. And I'm going to click on that and I'm going to open it. So what happens is when I open it, because I'm in Act Premium Cloud, I have to go up and click on Open File. Next, it's going to open up the Act document creation, and now here's my template. So it's a standard template. You see no information is filled in. Now what I'm going to show you next, in my opinion, is not really anything to do with Act. It's more to do with working in Microsoft Word and your skills and knowledge of Microsoft Word. A couple little things. Down on the bottom right, there's a zoom feature. So I can make this really big on the screen just to show you, or really small. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger because I want to come up top on the page. And I know from experience, if I come up top and I double click, I get inside the header. This is the header where I can enter information. But based on my experience of working with inside this, what I typically do is I will come in and I'll click on Insert, and I want to insert a table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a table, and I'm going to have it be just one row. That's it. So the next step is once you have the table in the header, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come grab a logo and insert it inside this table. Now I'm going to click on Insert. I'm going to go to Pictures. I'm going to click on Pictures again, and I'm going to navigate to the desktop of my computer. So let me do that real quick. When I get there, here's my logo. I'm going to click Insert. So now here is my logo. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to center it by going back to the Home tab and centering my logo. Now the whole reason you have a table and a header is just to control information. I could have put a table in here that was one row with 2 columns or 3 columns or 8 columns. And it just allows me to modify it. If this looks a little bit distorted, just keep in mind that I've made the page bigger, and that's why it looks distorted. So the next thing I'm going to do is come and click on Save. And now I'm going to save it as test letter 1. So now when I click on Save, it will save it to the templates. I'm going to close this. So let's go back in and try to use that template in which I just saved my logo in the header. I'm going to go up and click on Write. I'm going to go down to Mail Merge. I'm going to do the test letter 1. I'm going to do the current contact, and I'm going to go down and click on Save. This opens up. I'm going to click on Open File. This will open up. And there we have it. There is the template with all my contact information filled in, my first name, address. The one thing that I probably would do different, and again, it's just a matter of choice, is you can actually, when you're working in a table, and that's what this is up top, when you're working in a table, you can turn off the lines around that table so you won't even see them. I didn't do it in this case, but that is one of the things you can do. So that's how you can edit a template. You can go in, put a logo in. What I did not illustrate here is you can also go in and put something in the footer of the template. And a lot of times you might put in like your business address, your phone number, your web address, whatever you feel needs to be there. So that's how you go in and edit a template in Microsoft Word within Act Premium Cloud. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Be well now.